Alright, hello everyone. My name is Samir. Welcome to the channel. We're doing POV car review today. Today we're reviewing my 2020 Toyota Camry. We'll start it up. If I can find the keyhole. No keyless start, which is unfortunate for this model. 2020, you expect keyless entry, keyless start. But yeah, that's one way they cut corners with this car. Anyways, if you're looking for a daily driver, a nice commuter, what do you get? This is not a bad option. The Honda Accord is not a bad option if you want something smaller, a Civic or Corolla. But if you have $25,000 to $27,000, you want something that's super nice, very above its class, the king, if you will. This is what you get. The ride is more comfortable than what it's worth. You know, you feel like you're in a $40,000 vehicle. Let's go ahead and look at the outside. Right. Right. Just looking good. Finished here today in the paint of silver with the black wheels and the Nightshade package on it. We have the blacked out door handles, blacked out wheels, black accents like the spoiler here, little whip, and last but not least, black mirror caps and the black fin at the top. This Nightshade package comes in only 3 colors, I believe: black, silver, and white. So not much option there. You have automatic touch windows for all 4. Child lock for windows, window switch controls here, a nice door handle, nice door card. A lot of space in this Camry for belongings, a lot of cubbies. And as far as trunk space, look at that. Your gas kept on the left side. As far as the trunk, we have a cargo net right here. We have space over here, really deep bucket space. Black Toyota, that one, black Camry logo, black badges. Fins are black by default. The fins, these fake vents, are from ASC, XSC only. LEs will not get that trim. Hood latch at the bottom. And just keep the hood closed. The SE comes in a inline 4, naturally aspirated, no turbo, which is a little unfortunate. XSE and gets the V6 option included, or we can get the inline 4 if you would like to. Step on inside. Cabin room is very spacious. Lots of leg room, lots of headroom. I'm 5'10", fit very well in this vehicle. A lot of space from your passenger. 2 cup holders, automatic shifter, PRND, sport with paddles going up and down. Should be down and up, but I digress. Some paddles here. A little indicator showing which gear you're in. Analog tachometer, analog speedo, heavy odometer in the middle, smaller center gauge in the middle. Had to cut some cost here. You have a smaller display. This is before the refresh with this big tablet in the center. Other than that, we have a smaller display in the middle with our hub buttons on this side, all analog. Nice tuning button, nice volume button. Climate controls are all physical, nothing's built into the display. Very easy to use. AC, no AC, turn off, change the settings. I'm gonna rock it off for now. Back seat room. Sitting behind myself at 5'10" and a half, I will say. In the back, most materials do transfer over, although there wasn't much in the front to begin with. We have pockets on both sides. Have a trash can here for convenience. You guys should try it. No AC vents though, so you're gonna have to rely on the air pushing back here. We do have a 12-volt charger with 2 USB-A ports. Very nice. With the Camry here, cup holder, middle seats. Very nice. So, the best part about this car is the comfortability, practicality. These are full leather seats. The second part about this car is going to be drive. So, let's love these wheels. A little dirty right now, but we will make do. Windows are also tinted a little bit from the factory. Very nice. What's going on? Alright. Setting off here in the 2020 Toyota Camry SE Nightshade package. Do have Apple CarPlay wired. Android Auto is wired as well, I believe. Have our maps. Very nice. Steering is very comfortable, very light in this vehicle. Could almost steer with one finger if you really wanted to. Going to easily access our Toyota infotainment system from Apple CarPlay. Getting a little hot in here. Super simple, super easy climate controls. Within 3 seconds I got the AC on in the correct position. Alright, we're setting off on the road. Very nice day today for a drive. Let's see how comfortable we can be in this Camry. There are no heated seats, unfortunately. No ventilated seats, just normal climate control, no heated steering wheel in the SE. So if you really want extra commodities, extra luxury, hit up the XSE version of this vehicle. So far, super comfortable in this Camry. Nice leather trim here, aluminum trim here, air vents on both sides. Windshield wipers are easy to control, easy to use. We do have BMW style blinkers in this vehicle. So if you tap, you get 3 blinks to move over for changing lanes. Otherwise you can do a full press against your regular turnstile signals. Very isolated in this cabin right here. We do have a little bit of rattles from something in the glove box. Apologies about that. We're setting off. There are no modes in this vehicle. XSE will have a button trim right here showing your normal, eco, and sports. Otherwise, on the tack, if we're below 2,000 RPMs and we stay there, we're technically in an eco mode, saving enough gas. Car is rated for around 28 miles per gallon on average. You can definitely push it a little bit more. Easy to navigate menu. Right now I'm averaging 15.4 miles a gallon, which is odd. Oh man. It's not a bad car to drive. It's not a bad car at all. Surprisingly, just a little engaging. There's a little bit of something in there. And it feels good. It does feel good. I've owned this Camry for about 2 years now. I've enjoyed a lot of it. Very comfortable. And if you want a break from all your shenanigans with the project cars, need something that's not going to break the bank too much, get you from point A to point B, get you to work, get you to school, do the business. This is a great option for anyone looking for an amazing vehicle. And everything just works very well. I have no complaints of this interior, no complaints in this cabin. We do have a little roundabout here. Go through. All right. Oh man, Texas drivers, they will never get old. Visibility in the cabin, super nice. No blind spots that we can really think of besides leaning forward just a little bit. Seating position, great. I'm actually sitting at the lowest setting. I like to sit a little bit lower than usual, just my preference. Let's see if we can do real quick 0 to 60. 0 to 60, Toyota Camry. Let's go. No while control, automatic. Not bad. Makes some noise, but it's not the slowest thing in the world, I will say. Back to the main roads. fitting for a conclusion here, guys. Do I think you should buy this car? Absolutely. If you want more amenities, might want to look into the XSE or even the XLE. The XLE is not going to be as fine-tuned for a little bit more sporty feel, more sporty suspension. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll upload more videos in the future. Thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Hopefully we can get some more fun cars in the mix, but nothing wrong with the Camry here. Alright, thank you guys so much. See you guys later. Peace out.